In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Peak mods to your game. So this is a website called thunderstore.io. Just type this in, and then as you can see, it says BepInEx pack. You're gonna want to download this. Okay, so press manual download, and then once you have this folder, you're gonna extract it. And as you see, I have this folder right here. Okay, and you're gonna open this, and then go to BepInEx packs, and then open BepInEx packs, and then these are the files you need to copy into your game files. So for you, your game is probably on Steam. Oh, I'm on a different account, but let's say your game is right here. Let's say you go to your game, go to manage, and click browse local files. For me, my Peak game is actually not on Steam. It's right here. These are my game files. As you see, I already have BepInEx, but you're gonna want to copy these files. Okay, press Ctrl C, and then you want to paste it in here. Okay, but I already did this, so I don't need to do this. And yeah, okay, after that, open Peak. Sorry for that. You're gonna want to open Peak. Okay, once you open Peak, you're gonna want to close it. This is how you can make sure the game is actually like BepInEx is installed. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you do that, you can just like download any mod. I'll show you guys. So here's the mod I want to install: more custom hats. It just adds more hats to the game. I'm gonna press manual download, file, extract this. Boom, it's extracted. And what you want to do, in your Peak folder, go to BepInEx that you just put in the folder, go to plugins, and you're going to drag the DLL file. The .dll file, you're going to drag it to your plugins folder in BepInEx. Okay, and once you're done that, just open up the game, and the mod will be there. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.